Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Court Klopping's with us here now. Court, it's so pretty outside, but it feels very different than what we saw last week.
Yeah, if you're looking out the window, you're thinking, this looks like a gorgeous day to get outdoors. And then you get out there and it's windy and it's brisk.
Yes.
So yeah, make sure you have that jacket handy if you are heading out. Now this is a gorgeous look at the Southern Buttes as the sun is starting to set this evening. And as we take a look at your weather alerts, staying windy tonight. In fact, those winds are going to persist through tomorrow. We'll see the winds diminishing a little bit over the next few hours, picking back up as we head into tomorrow afternoon. After that, it does not look like winds are going to be much of a factor through the end of your work week, but this weekend could be a different story. Chilly for Tuesday morning. So tomorrow, make sure you have that jacket handy, especially for early in the day. Tomorrow afternoon looking a little bit warmer than what we saw this afternoon, and then dry and warmer late this week. We've got another warming trend that looks very similar to the one that we had late last week. Maybe not quite to the same extent, but nonetheless, it's going to be a lot warmer later this week. Temperatures outside right now, take a look at this. 50 degrees in Chico, 53 in Redding, 37 degrees right now in Boerne. Winds currently mostly around 15 miles an hour out of the north. If you are in the valley, earlier on, winds were sustained up to 25 miles an hour. Both Chico and Red Bluff reported gusts of 30 miles an hour or more out of the north, and we could be seeing potential for another round of that on the way for tomorrow. So be prepared for more strong winds. Satellite and radar showing you clear skies this afternoon. We're seeing a few thin clouds just brushing through those far northern zones of the state. And here's what's going on out there. We've got that low pressure area that brought that chance for showers. That's now well off to our east. But on the back end of that, that's still driving those strong north winds. You've got high pressure off the coast. This is what's going to dominate your more long range forecast. So that builds into the west coast. That results in those dry and warm conditions we're going to be seeing over the next several days. And getting a look at what we're expecting out there for your Tuesday, if you're in the northern mountains, we'll see temperatures dipping into the teens to 20s overnight and then back up into the high 30s to high 40s for tomorrow with those sunny skies. If you're in the Sierra or Cascades, temperatures could be dipping into the single digits. Take a look at this. Chester, 8 degrees overnight. Most areas in the teens will end up back in the 30s to mid 40s for tomorrow afternoon. Foothill areas down into the 20s to 30s overnight. High 40s to low 50s for tomorrow afternoon with sunny skies. Valley areas expecting mid 30s where winds are expected to stay a little bit more substantial overnight. So mid to high 30s in the north end of the valley. Tomorrow back in the mid to high 50s with sunshine on the way and north winds to around 20 miles an hour. Mid valley areas, we're starting to see those winds slack a little bit, especially this evening. That could result in some areas like Chico getting down to around 32 degrees. So again, if you are going to be out tomorrow morning, make sure you've got that jacket handy. Mid 50s for tomorrow afternoon with sunny skies, which is a little bit below average, but that below average trend changes very drastically towards the end of this week. We're back to the low 60s and mostly sunny on Wednesday with calm winds. Mid 60s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Redding mid 60s by Wednesday. High 60s Thursday, low 70s Friday. A little bit of a cooling trend this weekend with a chance for mountain showers late Saturday into Sunday. Another wind event possible Sunday as well.
Okay, Court, thank you so much.